Django bulk update to trigger save. I need to resave all my models. Users.objects.all.update active equals true. In the model. However, the above does not trigger the save method on these model. So no URL equals XYZ is set. Is this possible? Update. Looks like I cannot do this using .update. I have tried this.
No, this is impossible. Realize that update does an update at the SQL level and, thus, does not call any save methods on your models, nor does it emit the pre_save or post_save signals, which are a consequence of calling model.save. If you want to update a bunch of records for a model that has a custom save method, loop over them and call save.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.